Welcome to day 21 of our January video challenge. I just spent 6 hours doing an overhaul clean in the Refillery. It really needed it. I cleaned everything off, wiped down every single bottle, refilled everything, took off the old tablecloths and replaced them. And boy, did it make me tired. Our two other projects that I would like to get to today. The first one is I've got 2 boxes of priced items in my cart that I need to bring in and put in the booth here. And then the other one is I need to put a top onto this mantelpiece because I have someone coming in either Thursday or Friday to pick it up and take it home. Since I've already got the boxes here with me, everything is priced, I'm gonna go ahead and power through and get them loaded into the booth. I'm already here, I might as well do it. And then I'll go ahead and tackle the mantle at the house. I was able to get the top on the mantle. It turned out so beautifully, and I'm kind of kicking myself for saying yes to selling this one, but I think it's gonna go to a good home and we'll have to figure out something to do with that wall now. I'm super excited for our live Q&A that we have coming up tomorrow, and hopefully finishing up some small details on Friday for the furniture pieces so that I can get them into the booth. Thanks for coming along with me as they gave the Refillery a much needed deep clean and added some items into the booth space. If you have any questions for the live Q&A but you won't be able to attend, this is your last chance to ask them in the comment section below. Until then, I can't wait to see you live tomorrow.